Guys, welcome back to Shopaholics MPM, and we are back with another unboxing of Nike Air Jordan Fly Lockdown. Let's quickly unbox them. So these are initially inspired by the Air Jordan 4. The Nike Air Jordan Lockdown offers retro-inspired look and the new technology for comfortable fit and feel. These have a synthetic upper with textile and the inner make these lace-ups highly durable and breathable. The TPU eyelets for lockdown support. The Zoom Air unit offers lightweight responsiveness. So let me quickly try these on. Despite having a retro look, they still gave a futuristic vibe. And as the name says, they actually give a lockdown fit, which is extremely comfortable. So I would highly recommend these sneakers. And like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Shopaholics MPM. We'll be back with another video soon. See you soon. Bye.